So this video is looking at the quotient rule for differentiation. Now the quotient rule is when we have one function divided by another function. We call the top function u and we call the bottom function v. So I'm looking at that formula. I need u, which is the top, v, which is the bottom. I need to differentiate both, so I need dv by dx, I need du by dx. I just need to put it into this formula. So du by dx, that's quite a simple one to differentiate. In fact, both of these are nice and simple for differentiation. That's 3. dv by dx is just 1. Now I'm going to times v by du by dx. So to get the differential y prime, we have 3x minus 15. And then we take away dv by dx times du by dx. So I'm taking away 3x plus 2. And all of that is over v squared, which is the x minus 5 all squared. Now I can actually just tidy that up a little bit. 3x take away 3x is no x's. Minus 15 take away 2 is minus 17, and we'll just keep that on the bottom. We're not going to expand. Okay, we'll try not to do too much simplification here. And that's x minus 5 squared. So on the next one, I've got 2 examples. So you might want the formula copied down. And here are my 2 examples. You can pause and then I'll do the questions afterwards. So for this one, my u is x, and so u prime is 1, and my v is always the denominator, and that's going to be just 2, and then I do this one times this one, v times du by dx. So I have 2x minus 1, take away 2x, and all of that has to be divided by 2x minus 1 squared. And we can see here that I can actually cancel those out to leave me with minus 1 over that. This one here, quite often they do like to put the ex on the bottom on exam questions. So my u is my numerator, the top number, and I'm going to differentiate that. My v is e to the x. So my v dash is also e to the x. Now I'm going to times this one by this one and then take away this one times this one. I can see that there's actually going to be an e to the x in both. So this times this leaves me with 2 cos 2x, and then I'm multiplying this one times this one, so I'm going to take away sine 2x. Then on the bottom I have ex squared, and I'm just doing this example because so often we see this with an ex squared on the bottom. What we can do with this is we can cancel out that with one of the ex's, so we're left with this divided by ex. So this is a video on the quotient rule for differentiation.